Tell your friend I invite her tomorrow or give me her number. Hey y'all, it's All of Destiny. We're on a mission. Let me get a basket. Where are they? I need a basket, girl. Okay, so listen. In the last minute, hi, this man looking at me, y'all. He like, who the heck we talking to? Good, how are you? Y'all so trifling. Y'all be having people stare at me. So listen, Dorothy is far away from home and she finna go out for the night and she gotta get herself together. So we're gonna have to grab some stuff. Okay, Amber, Milani Amber, check. Elf concealer, I think I wear medium beige, check. What's this dark one right here? Is that the darkest they got? Oh God, don't put me out the store. Girl, what's that beeping? Is that too dark? Deep cinnamon. That look like my skin tone though. That ain't gonna look like contour at all. Okay, set my face. Girl, I know y'all gonna say just go home and get ready, but I'm not close to home right now. I need a sponge. Girl, I need some brushes. Give me some like this, some like this, some like this. Primer. I'm gonna need, oh, it's on clearance, thank goodness. Okay. I'm trying to think of what I already have. I don't want to try anything new last minute like this. Fit me. There it is, 20. Prime your face. Foundation, you conceal, you set it with powder. Boom, got blush. Boom, got blush. I'm good. Lashes and then we're done, folks. Oh, I hope this is my shade. Finishing powder. I think I'm looking suspicious, y'all, because I can't find the lashes. She like, do you need any help, ma'am? They finna put me out. Girl, where the lashes? Okay, there they go. I found it. Okay, let me prop y'all up before they put me out. Double whisper.
Customer service needed in the shade needs department.
This the shade needs, girl. They doing me like that. Let me get my glue and go. Duo glue. Y'all put me on to this one. Let's check out. That's the fastest I ever got makeup.
Huh? 8213 is your total?
For real?
In Walgreens.
I just got asked to hang out tonight and I needed makeup because
I gonna spend $82 in Walgreens. Deshauna, what's wrong with her?
flip it over. I got the wrong way.
Nice eyebrows, young lady.
Thank you.
You do.
Oh, she do. They
Uh-huh.
full too.
Don't let your friends talk to you. Girl, out your eyebrow, cut them up. You have beautiful eyebrows.
Sound like my mama. She get, cause my eyebrows going to a unibrow. My mama full Indian,
Just do the,
so I just
okay.
cut it and she be mad. She be like, let it go to a unibrow.
Thank you. Have a good night.
They be here trying to say, cut them.
Bag secured. Girl, we just spent $82 in Walgreens. My face better turn out really good. Her brows were so thick and pretty. She doesn't have to fill them in or anything. For guess how much we spent? I don't know what Manhattan is. I just heard it's really nice. Let me hurry up. I'll be to spend all night vlogging and we won't be nowhere. Okay, so I'm in Boom's bathroom now. And I know, before y'all say, why don't you just go fresh faced? Because I don't want to. Skincare, what we want to use. Burt's Bees, the deep pore scrub first. I like that scrub, D-side.
You like?
Broad Spectrum Lancome for my moisturizer. We got our makeup. I forgot to get a thumbnail picture in the store. Shut up! This is what happened when you kind of wing your day and you don't know what it's about to consist of. Going home in between is just not an option, folks. No! Girl, I just broke it. I'm gonna call y'all back. Okay, e.l.f. primer. Rub it in. Hold on, in case I don't change clothes, I need to take this off. This video probably ain't gonna make sense to none of y'all, but y'all know how it is. If you at your friend's house and they be like, girl, let's go out, and you be like, girl, I ain't got my stuff. And then you run and go get some stuff. The short version. Milani Conceal and Perfect Amber. I've worn this one before. Like I said, the goal wasn't to try anything new. This is the e.l.f. Total Face Sponge. It says you can use it dry or wet. I like it wet. Girl, die running out of this thing. Beauty blender would never.
Put some soap in it.
Girl.
What brand? Why you didn't get Real Technique?
I ain't even think to grab Real Techniques. I was trying to clean it off. I'm gonna use the facial cleanser. It's still running. Whatever, nevertheless. Foundation, Milani Conceal and Perfect. Get it going. Pump, pump, Tap, 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 tap. Oh, that's spot on. Boom was asking me, is that your shade?
You said what put?
That's my shade. If you're tired of having these side of your videos, dancing, want a cameo. Next up, I got the concealer, medium beige. I've used this before as well. Boom. You know what? I'm finna put y'all in the paper towel holder. I think that'll let y'all up a little bit. Okay, oh, if y'all fall out that paper towel holder, I'ma cry. I'm scared this one's gonna be so dark, so we only gonna use a little bit. 16-hour camo in rich ebony. I've never used this one before. Contour with it, but since it's dark, then I'm gonna use the Flawless Concealer brush that we improvising because I only got 4 brushes. There we go, there we go. We saving it. Beat, you gotta beat your face. Maybelline Fit Me 20. I really needed this setting powder actually anyway because I'm all out of powder. The makeup that I had on Boom's birthday for the birthday vlog, I had to use a powder that I don't normally use. This is my shade though. This is kind of fun. I don't know why rushing and being last minute doing things excites me, like in some weird little way. Procrastinating, turning in an assignment at the last minute. I'd be like, let's see what you're capable of. It's doing 2 hours? Okay. Okay. And be in college. Don't judge me though, I graduated. I did something right. I think, I hope. Probably not, girl, because she don't even use her degree. This is not sponsored by e.l.f. I just grabbed their stuff. Ultimate Blending. Good Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder, and this is a little darker than me, so I'm gonna use it to kind of bronze a bit. Girl, now my battery blinking. Duo Glue. Oh, I snatched down the whole clearance sticker. The black Duo Glue that y'all put me on 2 years ago. Been loving it ever since. And then the Ardell Double Wispies. Never wore these, but I like the Ardell brand, so I just grabbed this really fast. Now we're gonna do lashes.
It's on balance.
I think I put them on the wrong eye.
You put them on one. She put them on the wrong eye.
Can you tell? Lucky me. I keep my lip liner and gloss in my purse. MAC Chestnut. Fenty Fussy. Boom. Y'all, they don't got on socks, but they got on Uggs crew. We're about to fall. Oh, let me change my battery. It's blinking. Hold on. Y'all, it's like Christmas edition. I mean, if you select it. That's so cute. Let's go, Put. What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Your order tray at the snack bar, Stewart.
Try a light bulb. I think it's a 10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got
No! I got one. Yeah. Yeah. They got the lights off. I want to assume that it's closed. Where'd she go that fast? Is the kitchen closed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hey, brother wants to talk to me, y'all. He like, yes, ma'am, and look right past me. Well, we got to eat when we leave, folks. Fine, y'all can add on. Okay. My nail, I know, me too.
I'm scared. Someone holding it like
I don't think it'll hurt as bad as that acrylic though. Oh, you got acrylic. Nail. Kiss press-ons if you like them.
They do got some good ones. I'm sorry, getting.
Yeah, they got really good ones. And they come with like Swarovskis and everything. Ooh, ooh, got it. Come my way. Y'all look at my cousin braids. I'm about to give me some of these. Period. Oh, she got all except one. Taking a picture of her profile. Oh, mine's ugly.
Get up on your tiptoes and look down.
I guess that's better. Your turn, boo.
Oh, nigga, hold on, let me get my camera.
Don't slow out on film. Don't slow out. Focus These sides winning. Oh my God. I'm about to put this camera down so I can win. All but 2.
You can't catch me, bro. I don't make it easy.
Got her. Oh, I thought it was another strike. Well, they got ornaments, guys. Here we go. See, I should have filmed when you got that strike. Right foot slide. My camera won't focus.
Again, please hold all bowling. Your lanes are shut off at this time. Please all just to the front counter and move all back on the ball range. Thank you.
They kicking us out. Oh.
Like an ornament, man, I got Christmas lights. Jelly cold in my grill, call that Christmas lights. And I bring the heat like I would on a Christmas night. All white everything, nigga.
It's to go only. We're the closest IHOP at. It's to go only. So we see lights flashing over there. We're about to go see what that is next. Since IHOP not open. I mean they are, but it's to go. La, you gotta go la, like Lil Greg. La. It's my screen. Okay, I think this is a Mexican spot that we found. Y'all know it'd be like late. Yeah, whenever I see somebody else vlogging, I'll be remembering. When I be with Dominica, she start randomly vlogging. I know y'all wondering where she is. Never mind, y'all said no disclaimer, so I ain't gonna tell y'all. Nah. I don't know if vlogging allows, so hold on a second, y'all.
Just walk in, anyone, the ladies, Hispanic, Colombian, it don't matter. And I can dance with them without a problem.
Ah, you cold.
I'm
Wow. I want a shrimp quesadilla.
I heard the seafood. All the seafood.
What was he saying? He asked Charity what she said, oh, he just left. My name Ashley. It's a dance floor over there, y'all. Thank you.
See, you not shaking your hand. You see the feet?
I was trying to show y'all their footwork. It's a lot of music in here though, y'all, so I'm gonna talk to y'all later. But it's really cute in here. It's one of the few spots that we could find that was open. It's 2 o'clock, so technically this is the next day now. Everything's fine? Thank you. Un poco. My cousin's so quick on her feet, baby. No comprende. Tú no sé.
No entiendo. ¿Alguien quiere bailar? ¿Bailar alguien?
¿Bailar?
Bailar.
He's asking if you want one dance.
I just like in a minute.
Un momento. Un momento. Come here. Girl, they cut the lights on.
She's trying to translate.
We're trying to use the translate. What is that? Can you tell your friend what to say tomorrow? I can ask out. On a date with her? With her? He already left. He already left.
No te entiendo.
Repetir? You want to type it? Here.
She there. But when you say that,
When you had the leg up.
one hand on leg.
One hand on the frontal. Now your frontal off. Tell your friend
poco español. Tengo días que llegué aquí. Soy de Veracruz.
10? Be here at 10?
Llegué aquí.
Mañana.
Llevo.
No, buenos noches. Buenos noches. What did it say? Our sister is married.
¿Cómo respondo? ¿Cómo?
Are you gonna try her now?
No, man.
That's me. Her. That's my sister. Y'all should have asked him if he knew what a ᶫᵒᵛᵉᵧ. Come on, said he said a ᶫᵒᵛᵷ.